Hi, my name is Alyssa Fischer, and I work for UN Environment. And I'm immediately blanking. Wonderful. The battle for sustainable development will be won or lost in cities. We're all very familiar with that phrase. And we all know that by 2050, it's expected that the population will boom to 9 billion people, and most of that growth will happen in the developing cities of the Global South. We also know that 75% of the infrastructure in cities that will exist in 2050 has not yet been built. This gives us an amazing opportunity to completely rethink the way we develop, grow, and build our cities. At UN Environment, we're exploring how, by working at the neighborhood level, we can create more transformation. We can create more integrated, more innovative solutions that connect better with the residents they're intended to serve. I'm personally working on a project called the Neighborhood Approach. And this neighborhood approach is intended to give cities the tools that they need to empower their communities to create their own change. The neighborhood approach is built on 3 levels. First, it's anchored in a foundation of community engagement, participatory planning, and community empowerment. It puts the power in the hands of communities to understand their challenges, make their voices heard, make their concerns known, and then co-create the changes and the solutions that they need to fit their unique context. Building on top of that foundation, we try to advocate for green infrastructure, evaluation of ecosystem services, and sustainable solutions. We also try to help cities understand their resource flows, or understand what we call the urban metabolism, and then use this and have the tools to use that understanding to create a more circular economy. Finally, at the very highest level, the neighborhood approach intends to create more systemic, integrated solutions that bridge across sectors, that incorporate public transportation, active transportation, water, waste, renewable energy, to create really integrated solutions for the most complex sustainability and resilience challenges we face. So this project focuses specifically on the neighborhood level, because we want to understand how communities can play a role in helping to address some of the most pressing impacts or most pressing issues of sustainable development today, including equity, including gentrification, governance, and access to finance. We're also trying to understand what are the key factors that enable scaling from the small neighborhood level up to the wider city whole, and to understand how solutions can be spread from city to city at large. Currently, this project is in the research phase. I'm currently taking on case studies from cities around the world. I've got about 30 so far, where we're trying to understand what works and what doesn't in different neighborhoods, and then produce a document that can help inspire different communities everywhere and provide guidance to cities on tools they have and policies they can produce and financing they can provide that empower communities to really create their own change. Right now, we're seeking partners internationally, locally, national partners from the nonprofit, private, and public sectors who can help contribute case studies, who want to collaborate, who want to give their insights and inputs into this research, and then help develop a program that really is impactful in neighborhoods around the world. The battle for sustainable development may be won or lost in cities, but neighborhoods and communities are really on the front lines. It's up to us to help empower those communities to create their own change.